Got a 2007 Mazda 626 here. Just going to show you how quick I can get this ready for testing. Got a Grom USB 3 and the Bluetooth aspect of it. Mazdas are pretty easy. Bit fiddly, but I'll show you how I can just plug it in without even pulling the head unit out. Okay, this is the fiddliest bit. I should have done this first. Alright, that's plugged in. You can go around and put the key in the ignition for me, because we'll be testing this. That plugs in there. Bluetooth plugs in there. Microphone plugs in there. And that's pretty much it. Now, there's your normal display. See this? Have you ever seen it before? Grom car. It'll take over and you get some music playing. Here, just hit the pair button.
You ready?
Did a pair?
Oh, yep.
Yep, connected. All right, get some music playing. I haven't cycled the ignition, which is what we normally should do, but and that's it.
Beautiful.
All right. Next track. Previous track. How's that ready to test in 3 minutes?
I love technology.